Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. I'm back with another summer Halara try-on haul. Y'all know I've been in love with Halara for years upon years now. They make some of my favorite items, and I wear something from Halara probably 3 days out of the week. Like, I'm obsessed with their stuff. They make everything just so comfortable, so casual, and just great. They have so much on their website. They have swimsuits, workout clothes, dresses, just everything you can imagine, from athleisure to more formal wear. And they did provide me a coupon code, and they are sponsoring today's video. The coupon code is KellyF, and that will save you 20% off your order of full price items. My favorite way to shop with them is through the app. So I'll have all the details in the description box down below, my sizing, the items that I picked out, and all that good stuff. So let's dive in. I'll also have a playlist of some of my other Halara videos up in the cards if you're curious to check out any other things. So let's start with dresses. I tried this new style this time, and I really think it's adorable. First of all, I'm a sucker for this like baby blue. The other great thing about Halara is if you like an item, like the fit and the style, odds are it comes in like 30 colors, and if not yet, it will. Like, they really, I feel like, just do colors so well. They also have really stepped up their like little logo game, which I love. It's stamped on every item, which I just think is, I don't know, just a really cool, nice touch. So the first piece, like I said, is this baby blue. It's got a thicker strapped, which I like, not so spaghetti strapped all the time, even though I live in their spaghetti strap dresses, but I liked this style a lot. It is kind of like a two-piece, in that it looks like a two-piece. I mean, it's not like a solid set, but that's because it has this really cute back detail. Again, like the twisting. I have a sports bra from them, very similar to this. And I will not buy one of their dresses if it doesn't have the butt pull. So y'all know it's got the butt pull. So the flap. It also has these like, so it has these shorts underneath with the pockets, and then the little flap, so you can just pull it down to go pee. These are a lifesaver. I mow the lawn in one of these every single week. They're just my throw and goes. Like, if you're not living in these, if you don't follow my vlog channel, then you don't know I live in them, but I literally own them in, I don't know how many colors. And I gifted some to my mother-in-law, and she likes them as well. So this is the first light blue one. And then the next one that I picked up to add to my everyday dresses is this baby pink. I haven't seen them do like a pastel in a while. I have every single color imaginable. Again, they have started putting the logos on all the back of them. I love them. This is the softest brushed sort of fabric, and I wash, dry, wear these, like I said, all the time, and they hold up so incredibly well. I like these dresses out of any athletic dress I've ever tried. This is truly my favorite. So this baby pink is everything. They have removable cup pads in there. And then, like I said, this is spaghetti strap. Some of their straps will be adjustable. This one specifically is not, but it is not an issue for me. It's very stretchy and very like forgiving. And then the full bodysuit underneath, you can see the bra pads here. We've got pockets on either side, and then, you know me, the butt flap. But that bright pink, or that baby pink, is just so freaking pretty. And I own a lot of like brights, but not these like pastel colors, so excited about that. Next up, I did not have a navy blue skirt in my skirt collection. I have so many of them. I love the like brighter colors, but these more muted tones are nice for fall. These are great for walks. These are great for really truly anything. If you want to wear like a skirt but just want it to be comfortable and casual, again, I love these for walks. But this is a style that has the crisscross in the front, and it has a logo in the back, but it has just the two like large pleats of fabric. So you've got the top one in the front, and then the back one, which I think is really pretty, because when it's on your leg, you kind of see the split of the two. I think it's called like a dolphin type of, I don't know. And it's got the shorts underneath, of course, and then the pockets on either side. My favorite style of skirt. I own this in many different colors, but I did not own a navy skirt, and I'm excited to have this for the fall. I think this is gonna look really cute with so many different items, which is a white tee with a tank top, with a sports bra, anything, whether you're a tennis player, just a walker. You could even wear these to the gym. I personally don't wear skirts to the gym, but some girls do, and you totally can. But they are just such an easy piece, but put it with a button up and it can be dressed up, wear it with a t-shirt, and it's a casual look. So very cute. I mean, not super dressy, but you know what I mean. It can be elevated so many different ways. So yes, love. These are by far one of my favorite walking shorts. My only complaint, Halara, is that I wish these shorts had pockets, but I typically wear my fanny pack when I'm walking anyways so that I can strap Scout to it. But I love this color. I own these in like the blue and like a teal, navy blue. I own them in a couple colors, but this color really spoke to me. I love it. It's like kind of a purpley mauve-y color. I'm not exactly sure, but I think this is gonna look great for the fall. These are just the most comfortable. I get these in a medium so that I don't get these like scrunchy marks on my hips when I wear them, but these have like kind of that faux like dolphin split, and then I have the shorts underneath. I like the shorts underneath more than just the underwear. I still don't mind the underwear style, but the shorts underneath are just really comfortable and great for like chafing if you have inner thighs touch or anything like that. But I love all the details on these. I think they're adorable. And again, they've added the logo to the side, which I think is super cute. But this color is everything. So pretty for fall, like a chocolatey, purpley, great color. Okay, and then I tried out some of their pants. I own this specific pair that I'm going to show you first in the white version, and I honestly need to find it. I have not found them since I was moving, but I was a girl of the generation of cuffed jeans, and I am, you know me, I am typically a non-stretchy jean girl, but whatever they do to these don't like, I also size up, but these don't like hug you. These just like fall off of you. So they don't look like stretchy jeans. They fit incredible, and I love the wash of these. But I was a girl that was raised in the generation of a big old cuff. These are so cute for summertime with some cute little flats, sandals, whatever, but I loved the wash on these. Incredibly stretchy. Again, they have the little logo on the back. I think I got these in a size small. And I think these are just so cute. Again, I need to find my white ones, but these are just a fun little cuffed jean, and again, incredibly comfortable. But the biggest thing is they don't like hug it at my hips, which is like the part where I don't like when stretchy jeans do that. They don't pull or pucker. These are awesome. So happy to have them in like a medium wash. I think these will go great for transitioning into the fall season. And then I also decided to branch out with a pair of low-rise. These are a low-rise crisscross, and these are kind of in like a gray, light washed gray type of look. I really like these. I will say they're a tiny bit short on me, but I think that's just because I need to get more comfortable wearing them low-rise. Anybody else have like only have high-rise underwear? So it's like, what am I supposed to, I gotta push them down. Anyway, that's how you know you're old probably, but whatever. I love the cross waistband on these, and I love how these hang on my body. Again, they're stretchy, but they don't cling to anything. They're just perfectly flowing off the body. I would say if you're any taller than 5'5", maybe they have tall length that I would try next time, but these are super cute, and honestly, I think really fun to try out the trend. And they're insanely, they literally feel like sweatpant jeans. I know Rag & Bone makes like sweatpant jeans, and these are probably like 1/10 of the cost, and you can use my code, which will save you even more. And then y'all know I'm obsessed with linen pants. So these are not actually linen. They're like a super soft material, but they look like linen, and they're so comfortable. And I loved the color selection because I don't own any colors like this. This is giving spring, but I think we could still pair this for the fall with like dark chocolate accessories and like a deep cream sort of sweater I think would look so cute. But the detailing on this, like the texture, I think is so nice. Again, slight, like they just hit the floor perfectly. I already have washed and dried these, so I know they're not gonna shrink. But if you're like borderline taller than 5'5", I think I'm 5'6", I don't know, that I would size up. But just follow their size chart, it's pretty easy. But these, I think I got in a, I don't know, a smaller medium. I'll have them linked down below. I'm not sure, I cut all the tags out because I hate the tags. I hate tags in my clothes. So I don't know what size I got in these, but I will have all the details in the description box down below. So I got this beautiful pink. They also do have a hem that you could let out if you just needed an inch or two, but that's a lot of work. And then this, I love this color. I think this is stunning. This would also make a really cute bathing suit cover up too, like a white bathing suit or brown or whatever. But this sort of like green tea sort of color is everything to me. And they're really comfortable, really soft. They're definitely more of like a weighted linen. They don't feel like, they're not gonna like get as wrinkly and creasy as like a traditional linen because they're more of like a cottony sort of linen, like a thick Definitely feel like a weighted sort of trousery linen, but they flow really nice like a linen pant. But I love this color. And I know I'm gonna wear the heck out of those for the rest of the summer. Even though I'm itching for fall, okay, I'm aware very much so that we probably have 3 months more of this sort of warmer look. But this would also be really cute as it does start to cool down with a button up over the top of it. That's kind of how I envision a button up with those pants and like maybe my clogs or a cute sandal or something like that. But that is it. That is my little summer, end of summer sort of Halara haul. Again, if you're curious to check out anything, I will have all the details in the description box as well as the YouTube shop button. That seems to be one of y'all's favorite way to shop, and it's mine as well when I'm watching YouTube videos. But don't forget to use code KellyF and that will save you 20% off of full price items on their site. They're always running amazing deals. And I cannot recommend their dresses enough. Dresses, skirts, running shorts, I love them all. And then I'm excited to have those pants and jeans. So check out my summer outfits video. I'm sure I will feature these pieces in there very, very soon. But again, big shout out to Halara for partnering with me on today's video. I love you guys so much. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in my next video very, very soon.